Hey, thanks for watching. This is Mike with Skinner Screens. 3 reasons that solar screens for windows are a great idea. Number 1, solar screens reflect a tremendous amount of heat. Number 2, they also reflect damaging ultraviolet rays. Number 3, they cool down your home or office significantly, resulting in a much cooler environment inside. Give us a call at Skinner Screens, 512-863-5145, or catch us on the web at skinnerscreens.com. Also check out our YouTube channel, Skinner's Custom Screens. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell icon for notifications of future videos, and give us a like because it helps us out. Thanks again for watching. We really appreciate you, and we appreciate your business.